Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to discuss the Entegra Reatta. This diesel Class A motor coach provides a luxurious camping experience to anyone seeking a diesel Class A that can give them a resort-like interior and the freedom to travel as they wish. There are 3 floor plans in total. These models range from nearly 38 feet to almost 40 feet in length. The Reatta floor plans feature the Spartan K1 chassis with the Cummins B 6.7-liter turbocharged engine, putting out 360 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque. Kicking things off for the Reatta floor plans is the 37MB. This unit features 4 slide-outs with the 2 driver's side slides nearly spanning the entire wall. In the main living area, there's a campside slide-out dinette, and across from that is a large slide-out with the kitchen and a hide-a-bed sofa. At the rear of the unit is the master bedroom with a king bed, a wardrobe, and washer and dryer. Next up is the 39T2. This bath and a half model features a nearly full wall slide on the camp side, housing a hide-a-bed sofa, the kitchen, dual wardrobes, and 2 TVs. The driver's side features a super slide with sofa and dinette, half bath, and the slide-out king bed. The master bath with washer and dryer is located directly behind the bedroom. Moving on to the final Reatta floor plan, the 39BH. This unit is a bunk model with 3 slides, including a nearly full wall slide on the camp side. That large slide features a dinette, residential refrigerator, pantry, 2 power bunk beds, both TVs, and a wardrobe. Across from this slide in the main living area is the rest of the kitchen and a tri-fold sofa. In the master bedroom, there's a slide king bed, and at the rear of the unit is the bathroom, washer and dryer, and linen closet. When it comes to features, the Reatta has a lot to offer. The model provides some of the best exterior and interior features in its class. From the moment you step into the Reatta, it's clear that it's not like other RVs you've seen or owned. The hand-laid 12-inch by 24-inch polished porcelain tile flooring, LED recessed 12-volt lighting, 50-inch LED TV, and Insignia soundbar help make you feel right at home. On the exterior of the Reatta, there are plenty of features as well, including frameless dual-pane tinted windows, power awnings for the entrance doors, slide-outs, and patio with LED lights, an exterior utility center, and window awnings. Additional features for the Reatta include 2 15,000 BTU AC units with heat pumps and a 2,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Now that we've gone over the features, let's discuss the construction of the Reatta. As I mentioned before, the Reatta is built on the Spartan K1 chassis and paired with the Cummins B 6.7-liter turbocharged diesel engine. From there, Entegra uses X-bridge frames welded into the chassis. The floor features a 2-inch by 4-inch truss construction and 7-ply plywood main floor decking. In short, the Reatta is built to make you love every moment. It's here to satisfy you every mile you drive and be enjoyable no matter what your destination looks like. If you're looking for a good RV to retire with, or you just need something high class and comfortable to cart around the entire family on your next vacation, the Entegra Reatta is a great choice.